Alright, where are we spawning? Oh, here.
Rat hole. Yeah, rat hole's not that good in your daytime.
Yeah. But
We loaded in quick, so I'm going straight to AP.
alright. Was that shots to the left? Okay, now we got
Both
left side
sides.
and right side.
That's right
that's
here.
right here.
Right, stop.
He's
Oh,
dead.
you got him.
Okay, we got footsteps. Full collector.
Yep. That would be the loud noise we heard. I know he's only got an alpha. Unless he took down collector. Oh no, he'd have his gun.
Sir Ben Smacker Pickle.
Oh, good old smacker pickle.
I haven't heard any other shooting recently. Oh, yep, okay. Okay. Alright.
He's got a mate.
Yeah.
Which way did it come from?
No idea.
You got shot in the face. Which way did you look?
Well, I stuck my head out. Alright, I got a plan.
Yeah. Can you tell me your plan before you do that, so I know what we're doing? No? Okay.
Pop and smoke.
Yeah, are we running? What are we doing?
I'm planning to run. Okay, legging it.
I see a foot, a leg under that van.
Yeah, alright. Which van?
Take a pot shot at it?
Yeah, take the shot.
He moved his foot.
Alright.
Oh, you just left me? Okay.
Sorry, no. I'm not leaving you. I'm moving to a different position.
Oh, there's two down there. Or you shooting someone?
It's me shooting Scav. Unfortunately with AP.
I don't know where they're shooting. Oh.
I think they're engaging Scavs.
Yeah, that's a scav that's just come out. That's a scav shooting down here.
Well, if he's not there, then he's probably wrapping around.
Right, I'm coming round.
Oh, yep. He's wrapped here. He's here. Fuck, he lit me up.
Where is he?
Down the end of the street near connector. Yeah, he's good. Wherever the fuck he is. Oh, he's rapping. Yeah, so he's wrapping. Because he's shooting scabs around the other end. So he's moving. We should move. I'm so fucking slow with all these armors on. If I didn't have collector on, he would have ended me then.
Oh, there's a scav down the end. Where are we pushing to?
I don't know, somewhere where we can get a better shot at these. Maybe bridge? I reckon bridge will be able to cover our angles. Oh yeah, I see him, he's pushing in.
Where? Where from?
From where we just came from. He just jumped.
Where is he
Behind
now?
white van.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Behind front of white van.
He was at the back of white van, now he's in front. I got back of van, have you got front of van?
Yep. I got front of van. I'm gonna pop a nade. Oh, I think I got him. I heard the huh with the nade. Good nade.
Oh, I'm just coming around this side to check.
I'm pushing forward to check. I heard the death sound.
Yeah, you got him.
I just got scav here. Hang on. Changing my helmet for scav.
Oh, you want scav?
Yeah. What a nade throw. That was a good nade. And a good fight by this guy too. He was also full collector. Oh well, collector armor and helmet. And he had a spear. Alright, I got scabs down the street, hold on. Alright. They're down. He had Uwu spear.
Oh, what if it's the guy that we got on Island?
Sir Nigel Smackapickle. He was part of the Smackapickle. He was part of the Smackapickle crew.
Who was that first one you shot?
Someone Smackapickle and his mate Smackapickle. Do you want this?
One you shot.
Oh, I don't know, I didn't check. Do you want this empty bag? Do you want this collector?
I'll take it if you don't want it.
Well, I want it, but like I'm already carrying a collector and it's quite heavy, so oh, I'll take that mag. So you can put it on. I'll just wear it.
Scabs now.
Alright, where are they? I hear them.
Oh, there's one up on the stairs coming down.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, he like ran down the stairs like on meth. Alright, here they come. Meat foul.
That's three, surely that's all your kills.
Let me check. Yep, that's it. Ticked. Swap on my helmet. And you may shoot to kill.
Oh shit, he's here.
Oh shit, he's here.
And he's...
Okay.
One of them saw me, I'm going upstairs.
Okay, okay. I'm going upstairs too. Alright, coming. Have you got him?
No, I kept shooting the fucking banister.
Right.
It's really pissing me off.
Is he pushing up or?
Ends here.
Disarmer.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I ran out of...
Alright. I guess I get 2 collector kits.
Who got him?
Pretty sure I did.
Check your kill screen to see if you did kill Ben.
Look, I don't think if the tag said I didn't, then I don't think the kill screen will. But I know when I play back the replay, I definitely killed him.
See, that's why I'm thinking in Ireland, that dude that was on the hill that came up none.
Yeah.
Kill screen.
Yeah,
I seen him drop when I was shooting him.
yeah, yeah, you probably got him. But there was some bug that caused you to not get him. I don't know, you know, this game. You know how it is. You kill someone.
Hey, I got the
Yeah, so I got
collector.
him. Sir Ben. Oh no, no,
but I
wait.
got
Sir
the
Ben, smack a pickle. Sir Nigel, smack a pickle.
No, I got the collector.
Oh, you got the collector. And I got the collector's cut. Oh well. You got a collector kit anyway. You got a collector kit anyway from the guy that I killed. Yeah, well I took the gun. Okay. Well, you got
took my gun.
You got a collector kit from the
Yeah, I got a collector kit, so that one I am. But
and I killed 2 guys with collector kits, so I mean I can give you the gun if you want it that badly.
if we get down to the end and we feel like running one,